Hello and welcome. I hope you're well wherever you are and that we are ready for today's episode. We are talking about the 9 types of vegetables. Last time when we were discussing about vegetables, we said that vegetables are plants or part of a plant that we eat. These parts or these plants are healthy for our bodies and that they are not they're not poisonous. We said also that they do not contain side effects. So having them as many times as possible is not bad for us. So today we will continue and discuss the 9 types of vegetables. Now, when we talk about the types of vegetables, we are talking about the parts of the vegetables or the parts of plant that we can eat. The properties or the healthy properties that it has for our body. So welcome and let's continue. Number 1, stalks. Now stalks include vegetables like leeks and asparagus and others. These are generally diuretics and are rich in fiber. So notice that when you eat food rich in fiber, it is filling and you will take longer before you feel hungry. So you see, they have an added advantage. In this category, we also have sugarcane. Sugarcane is a stalk and generally it produces the sugar that we eat. Notice that this is the natural sugar. So sugarcane is good for cleaning of our teeth, and it is also good in natural sugar. So consume it and see how good it will be. Number 2, leaves. Now these are common in our dinner plates. They are rich than we may think. For example, vegetable like cabbage, turnips, parsnips are good sources of calcium. So their consumption is not harmful. In fact, it is more beneficial to us. Spinach and other dark green vegetables are rich in iron, which is good for blood production. So when we need to have enough blood pumped in our bodies, just consume these vegetables and you'll see the results. Another vegetable like watercress is also good for blood production, that is containing properties of iron. So it is important that you consume it in good quantities when it is available. Cabbage also has anti-carcinogenic properties, which helps in prevention of production of cancer cells. So I use it in good quantities, whether cooked or in form of a salad. Now vegetables are also good source of protective food, meaning it has vitamins and mineral salts. So don't underrate it. Number 3, flowers and buds. These are inflorescent vegetables, meaning they are made up of lightly bunched up flowers. These could include cauliflower, artichokes, rye, and so on. Now these vegetables contain provitamin A, vitamin B and C, which is good for our immune system boosting, and it is also good for our skin. So it is very important that we have them as often as we can when they are in season. Number 4, petioles. Now these are the stems that connect the leaves to the stalk. In some vegetables, it can be so developed to become flavorful and tender, making it tasty to consume. They are rich in cellulose An example includes chard. Number 5, seeds. These could be in form of peas, beans, green grams, lentils, and so on. They are leguminous plants and are very rich in protein, yet they are considered vegetables. So you see, they are so useful as a protein and as a vegetable. They help to build, repair, and mend worn out body tissues and organs. So it is good to have them. They'll help you in times of need. We also have other seeds like pumpkin seeds and peanuts, pistachios, and so on. These are nuts which are good sources of mineral salts, and they also help in repairing our body. So it is not bad to have them. Not so much, but in moderation. Number 6, tubers. Now tubers are just underground enlargements of stalks of a plant. They are not roots, and normally they help to store starch. They contain some amount of vitamin as well as protein. Examples include potatoes, sweet potatoes, and cassava, arrowroots, etc. So eat them because they'll give you energy and they'll help you to work and function better. Number 7, fruit. They could be red like tomatoes, brilliant purple of the eggplant, the brilliant yellow of squashes and pumpkins, to the varied greens of the cucumber and zucchini, etc. And not forgetting also the avocado. Now these vegetables are so noticeable by their varied colors. They contain all sorts of properties. For example, the avocado is a fruit, yes, but it contains fat. And then the potato, the pumpkin or squash has some vitamins as well as the starch. So you see, all of them are very useful in their own way. So you can have it as a fruit, and also have it as a starch. So use them in the amounts that you require so that they may function in your body. They are not fattening, but they are good for the body. If you want to have a salad, you can use them. Vegetables like zucchini or cucumber, you can cook zucchini or just have it as a salad in your meal. Number 8, roots. These contain carbohydrates, vitamins, starch, and fiber. You see, they are good for your body. They have these properties, and they are so helpful in terms of increasing the body immune system. Some contain beta carotene. Remember the orange or the red of a fruit. So they help in, for example, increasing our eyesight and even the blood. So examples could be beetroot, is it maroon or dark red? And then we have also the carrot, which is orange. So you see the amount of beta carotene in them. So have them as much as you can in your diet. Number 9, bulbs. Now, they contain anti-carcinogen, which helps in preventing the development of cancerous cells in the body. Now, the bulbs include fennel, they include garlic, and also the common one that we use, which is the onion. So it is important that we use these bulbs in not so much quantities, but just a reasonable amount. Remember, they also act as an antibiotic when you consume them instead of the ones that we buy off the counter, the medication. It will be better for us. Remember, vegetables have no side effects and they are good for us. So when you have a headache or when you feel pain, instead of using antibiotics, you can try using onions or the garlic. Though they're not friendly in terms of smell or even when peeling them or cutting them, because we cry a lot, but they have a lot of benefits to our body. So let's try and have them as much as we can. Now, we have seen that we have 9 types of vegetables. We have said we have the leaves, the stalk, we have the petiole, we have the roots, the bulbs, the leaves, and so on. So as you are eating, when you're choosing your meal or what to put into your plate, make sure you have at least several of them in your plate. Have them in their different colors, their different shapes. The way you will cut them, the way you will dice them, slice them is of your own choice. But the properties that are in these vegetables are very important for you, so that you help boost the immune system, you help prevent diseases, and you also feel good as you are eating them. So I hope you will incorporate these things that we've learned into your day-to-day habits as you feed your family, as you feed yourself. Do something about the vegetables that you eat. Remember, vegetables can be cooked, can be eaten raw, can be made into a salad, can be blanched, and so on. So don't be afraid to try them in different flavors. You can even add some oil or seasoning. They are a garnish on their own, so you don't need so much garnish. So I hope you will enjoy as you learn and as you put it into practice. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time when God wills. So have a lovely day, and please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.